How do you market your book on the two biggest markets on Amazon completely for free, all while getting more people to buy your book? That's coming up in today's video. Hey everybody, I'm Emeka, and in today's video, we're talking about how to market your book. This is one video of 3 videos I'm doing in the series, How to Market Your Books. So if you want to check out those other videos that I've done, you can hit the cards above me or just check out the links in the description of this video. But let's talk about one of my favorite ways on how to market your books on Amazon. It's using KDP's countdown deals. So countdown deals are a great free tool that Amazon lets us use. And I use it to boost up my book sales, or I've used it to bring my dead books back to life and back selling. So let's talk about what it is, how to use it, when you should use it, and how it differs from the free promotion that KDP also allows you to do. Countdown deals are a deal that Amazon lets you do for up to 7 days in both the US and the UK market every 90 days, as long as your book's enrolled on their KDP Select program. So this gives you 7 days US, 7 days in the UK, so a total of 14 days throughout that 90-day period. You can run your books at 2 price points below $2.99, so either 99 cents or $1.99. Whatever price point you want is totally up to you, and it's really going to depend on your niche and your overall promotional strategies. Amazon then shows people that your book is on sale. It has a little countdown timer. You can see it on the screen now. And this is a great way because people see that. It creates urgency, shows them that your book's on sale, and it increases your overall sales. And my favorite thing is it brings up your BSR, or down your BSR, depending on how you're looking at. So why do they work so well? Well, one reason, like I just mentioned, is it brings up your BSR. So the lower, the closer to 1 your BSR is, the higher your book's gonna do in terms of sales. It also helps drive more traffic to your Amazon page. And that's just a good thing for a number of different reasons that I've covered in some other videos. Amazon promotes the book for you for free, which is phenomenal. And customers are still paying for your book. So you're not getting those free customers, which are the worst type of customer you can get. You are getting paying customers. Yes, they're buying it at the discount, but I'll take customers who buy my products at a discount versus customers who want it for free any day of the week. This is especially good when you're selling them other additional products in the back end. So when do you use it? There's 3 times you really want to use your countdown deal. Number 1 is if your book is not selling. So if your book's not selling and you're running AMS ads already to it, run a countdown deal. This 9 times out of 10 will help boost up your book's sales. Now, I say 9 times out of 10, this is providing you've done your basic homework. Your title, your description, and your cover, they all don't suck. Because if those 3 suck, well, this is not really gonna help. Number 2 is you're not running any ads or you're not doing any other promotion for whatever reason. Run a countdown deal. It is free to run it. You have nothing to lose. Run the countdown deal and measure your results. The 3rd reason is your book is published up on Amazon. Literally, if your book's published on Amazon, run a countdown deal. There is no reason not to take advantage of this. I've seen it do wonderful things for myself and my students' books and their success. So definitely take advantage of this. So now let's dive into the computer, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to set up a countdown deal live on my computer. So let's do that.
All right, so let me show you how to set up your Kindle countdown deal. So I'm inside my dashboard, and what I'm gonna do is click on promote and advertise over here. All right, so once again, as with free promotion, you have to make sure your book is enrolled in the KDP Select program. This program goes for every 90 days. If you wish to unenroll for some reason, you're gonna hit manage and just make sure it doesn't enroll on March the 2nd. But I always keep my books enrolled for KDP Select. So we're gonna do a Kindle countdown deal. So you're simply going to click here. So the marketplace that we're going to do is Amazon.com. We're going to set one up for the UK market and the .com market. So we're going to start this. Let's check. We're not starting it on Sunday. We're starting it on Monday. We want to start this at 5 a.m. We're going to run it for the full 7 days. And we'll, yeah, okay. Who cares what time it ends, really? So now down here, how many price increments do you want to do? Do you want to do 1? Do you want to do 2? So the starting list price, $2.90 or 99 cents. Let's see, can we change that? So starting list price, 99 cents or $1.99. Okay, so if you have that as the starting price, you can only have 1. So let's do 2. This just means they're going to sell it at $1.99, then they're going to sell it at 99 cents. I usually do 1, but hey, let's do 2 and see what happens. So here's how it works. So 67% discount here, 34% discount there. This is how they promote it. Excellent, looks great. Add promotion. We're going to do the exact same thing now for the UK market. So UK is already selected because .com is already taken. Same thing. We'll start this at 5 a.m. till the 15th. We'll do, looks like just 1 price increments. Set that up. All right, it's good to go. Add promotion. That's it. That's how you set up your countdown deals. Love countdown deals. Excited for this book to go on sale. Make a little bit more money here. The main thing we're using this for is to drive traffic to the Amazon page. This is a book that's designed to be an audiobook, not designed to be an ebook. So we're just getting people to the page. They'll understand, nope, I want the audiobook instead of the ebook, and they'll end up purchasing that. So great tool that Amazon has here. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'd love to connect with you. As always, everyone, I'm Emeka. Speak to you soon.